In this video, I will be showing you how to enable Copilot on the taskbar in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the taskbar and click inside the search bar. Then, I type in the word Settings to find the system application. Once the Settings app appears at the top of the search results under Best Match, I click on it to launch the application. I wait briefly for the main system settings interface to load onto my desktop. After the window opens completely, I look over to the left side navigation menu and click on the category labeled Personalization. This section contains all the options for modifying the look and feel of my desktop. On the right side of the window, I scroll down through the menu items until I locate the section for Taskbar Settings, and I click on it. This brings me to a page where I can manage taskbar items and system tray configurations. Next, I scroll down past the primary taskbar items to find the drop-down menu titled Other System Tray Icons, and I click on it to expand the list. Now, I scroll down through the alphabetical list of installed applications to locate the option for Copilot. As you can see, the toggle switch next to Copilot is currently set to off. I click directly on this toggle switch to change it to on. As soon as I do that, the Copilot icon immediately appears in the system tray in the bottom right corner of my taskbar. To make sure everything is working as intended, I move my cursor to the bottom right and click on the newly added Copilot icon. A dedicated Copilot Assistant window smoothly opens up on the right side of my desktop. To test the functionality, I click inside the text input area at the bottom that reads, Message Copilot. I type in a test prompt, asking, Teach me how to identify fake news and misinformation on social media. Once my prompt is fully entered, I click on the upward arrow button on the right side of the text box to submit it. Copilot immediately starts processing the input and begins generating a detailed, informative guide in real time. The response flows steadily onto the screen, providing a well-structured breakdown of key strategies to spot false information, including tips on checking source credibility, analyzing emotional triggers, and cross-referencing with trusted outlets. It also provides guidance on detecting deepfakes, using independent fact-checking platforms, and running through a practical checklist before sharing content online. Everything is functioning perfectly, and Copilot is now conveniently pinned and fully accessible directly from the Windows 11 taskbar whenever it is needed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.